In this video we will learn how to change the ringtone in a Samsung Galaxy Note 8. So to do that, click settings and then click sound and vibration, and here's the ringtone. So click ringtone, and there are a lot of ringtone here, so you can pick your favorite one. Suppose I'm picking this one. Even you can adjust the volume from here. Yeah, you can adjust the volume from here. Now go back. Even you can pick vibration mode when it's ringing, so in that case the phone would vibrate when it ring. So that's it. Thanks for watching.